In the March 2007 edition of Electrical Contractor Magazine, electrical professionals could find a variety of articles and features relevant to their work. While the specific content varies from issue to issue, some common topics frequently covered in electrical contracting magazines include updates on the National Electrical Code, often referred to as the NEC. These updates are crucial for electrical contractors to stay informed about the latest safety regulations and installation standards. The NEC is revised and updated every 3 years, so keeping abreast of the changes is essential for compliance and safety. Articles about the NEC might delve into specific code sections, explaining their requirements and how they apply to different electrical installations. For example, an article might discuss the requirements for grounding and bonding electrical systems, including the proper sizing of grounding conductors and the methods for connecting grounding electrodes. Another article might focus on the rules for installing wiring in hazardous locations, such as those with flammable gases or dust. In addition to code updates, Electrical Contractor Magazine often features articles on new technologies and products in the electrical industry. These articles can help contractors stay ahead of the curve and offer new solutions to their clients. For instance, an article might introduce a new type of LED lighting fixture that is more energy efficient and has a longer lifespan than traditional lighting. Or, it might cover a new type of electrical panel that is more compact and easier to install. Other potential topics include articles on energy efficiency and sustainability, which are increasingly important considerations for electrical contractors and their clients. These articles might discuss strategies for reducing energy consumption in buildings, such as using energy-efficient lighting, installing smart thermostats, and optimizing HVAC systems. They might also cover renewable energy technologies, such as solar photovoltaic systems and wind turbines. Electrical Contractor Magazine also typically includes articles on business management and marketing for electrical contractors. These articles can provide valuable advice on how to run a successful electrical contracting business, including tips on bidding projects, managing finances, and attracting new customers. For example, an article might discuss the importance of having a well-defined business plan or the benefits of using social media to market the business. Another area frequently addressed is safety in the electrical workplace. Articles might cover topics such as lockout-tagout procedures, arc flash protection, and fall protection. These articles are essential for ensuring the safety of electrical workers and preventing accidents on the job site. Lockout-tagout procedures are designed to prevent accidental energization of equipment during maintenance or repair. Arc flash protection involves wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as flame-resistant clothing and face shields, to protect against the hazards of arc flashes. Fall protection includes the use of harnesses, lanyards, and other equipment to prevent falls from heights. The magazine may also include case studies of successful electrical projects. These case studies can provide valuable insights into how other contractors have overcome challenges and delivered successful projects. For example, a case study might describe how a contractor installed a new electrical system in a large commercial building, or how a contractor retrofitted an existing building with energy-efficient lighting. Industry news and trends are also a common feature of Electrical Contractor Magazine. This might include updates on new regulations, changes in the market, and emerging technologies. For example, the magazine might report on a new law that requires all new buildings to meet certain energy efficiency standards, or on the growing demand for electric vehicle charging stations. Product reviews and comparisons can also be found in the magazine. These reviews can help contractors make informed decisions about which products to use on their projects. For example, the magazine might review different brands of electrical tools or compare the features of different types of circuit breakers. Continuing education opportunities for electrical contractors may also be advertised in the magazine. These opportunities can help contractors stay up to date on the latest technologies and best practices. For example, the magazine might advertise courses on NEC updates, arc flash safety, or solar photovoltaic system installation. In addition, the March 2007 edition of Electrical Contractor Magazine may have included articles specifically related to seasonal issues or emerging trends at that time. For example, there might have been articles on preparing for storm season or on the growing use of wireless technology in electrical systems. Remember that the specific content of the magazine would have reflected the state of the electrical industry and the concerns of electrical contractors in March 2007. Now we delve deeper into some potential specific topics that might have been covered in the March 2007 edition. Given the time period, articles on the adoption of new technologies like smart building systems were likely. These articles would have discussed the integration of various building systems such as lighting, HVAC, and security into a centralized control system. The benefits of smart building systems include increased energy efficiency, improved comfort, and enhanced security. The articles may have covered the different types of smart building systems available, the challenges of installing and maintaining them, and the cost savings that can be achieved. Another potential topic is the increasing use of variable frequency drives, often called VFD, in motor control applications. VFD allow for precise control of motor speed and torque, which can result in significant energy savings. The articles may have discussed the different types of VFD, the applications where they are most effective, and the best practices for installing and programming them. Safety was always a paramount concern, so articles focusing on arc flash hazards and mitigation techniques were highly probable. These articles would have emphasized the importance of conducting arc flash hazard assessments and implementing appropriate safety measures to protect electrical workers. The measures might include wearing arc-rated clothing, using insulated tools, and implementing lockout-tagout procedures. The articles may also have covered the different types of arc flash protection devices available, such as arc flash relays and current-limiting fuses. Considering the growing awareness of energy conservation, articles on energy-efficient lighting solutions, including LED technology, were likely featured. These articles would have highlighted the benefits of LED lighting, such as its long lifespan, low energy consumption, and high light quality. The articles may have compared different types of LED lighting fixtures and provided guidance on selecting the appropriate fixtures for different applications. They may also have discussed the incentives and rebates available for installing energy-efficient lighting. Articles addressing the challenges and solutions for electrical grounding and bonding in various applications were essential. These articles would have explained the importance of proper grounding and bonding for preventing electrical shock hazards and ensuring the reliable operation of electrical equipment. The articles may have covered the different types of grounding systems, the requirements for grounding electrodes, and the methods for bonding metal parts of electrical systems. They may also have addressed the specific challenges of grounding and bonding in sensitive electronic equipment installations. Given the increasing prevalence of electronic devices, articles on power quality issues and solutions were highly relevant. Power quality problems such as voltage sags, voltage swells, and harmonic distortion can damage sensitive electronic equipment and disrupt operations. The articles may have discussed the causes of power quality problems, the methods for measuring them, and the solutions for mitigating them. These solutions may include installing surge suppressors, harmonic filters, and uninterruptible power supplies, known as UPS systems. Articles on the latest updates and interpretations of the NEC, particularly any significant changes in the 2005 or upcoming 2008 edition, would have been included. These articles would have provided detailed explanations of the changes and how they affect electrical installations. The articles may have included examples of how to apply the new code requirements in different situations. They may also have discussed the interpretations of the code by local and national authorities. Articles focusing on best practices for electrical project management, including estimating, scheduling, and cost control, could have been included. These articles would have provided practical advice on how to manage electrical projects effectively and efficiently. The articles may have covered topics such as developing a project plan, creating a budget, tracking costs, and managing risks. They may also have discussed the importance of communication and collaboration among team members. The magazine would likely have included articles showcasing innovative electrical installations and projects. These articles would have highlighted the challenges and successes of these projects and provided valuable lessons for other contractors. The projects may have involved new construction, renovation, or retrofit work. They may also have showcased the use of new technologies or innovative design approaches. Articles on strategies for marketing and growing an electrical contracting business, including online marketing and customer service, were likely to appear. These articles would have provided tips on how to attract new customers, retain existing customers, and build a strong brand. The articles may have covered topics such as creating a website, using social media, developing a marketing plan, and providing excellent customer service. The magazine might also have included articles on legal and regulatory issues affecting electrical contractors. These articles would have covered topics such as contract law, licensing requirements, and environmental regulations. The articles may have provided guidance on how to comply with these laws and regulations. They may also have discussed the potential legal liabilities of electrical contractors. Considering the rising demand for renewable energy, articles on solar photovoltaic system design and installation were highly probable. These articles would have provided an overview of solar PV technology, the different types of solar panels, and the components of a solar PV system. The articles may have covered the design considerations for solar PV systems, the installation procedures, and the maintenance requirements. They may also have discussed the incentives and rebates available for solar PV installations. The March 2007 issue may also have had articles on the growing adoption of green building practices and the role of electrical contractors in achieving LEED certification. These articles would have discussed the principles of green building, the LEED rating system, and the specific requirements for electrical systems in LEED certified buildings. The articles may have provided guidance on how electrical contractors can contribute to green building projects. Finally, the magazine might have included articles on the latest tools and equipment for electrical work. These articles would have reviewed new tools and equipment, highlighting their features and benefits. The articles may have provided tips on how to use the tools and equipment safely and effectively. They may also have discussed the importance of investing in high-quality tools and equipment.